We live in a digital era where many of us spend more time on screens than we do with family and friends. Whether it's for work, social media, staying updated with the latest trends, or simply unwinding with some entertainment, the internet has become a major part of our lives. But have you ever thought about turning that screen time into income? Believe it or not, millions of people are making money online, right from the comfort of their homes. Ever wondered how? Stay with me as we explore 8 legit ways to make money online. Number 7 might just surprise you. Whether you start as a side hustle or turn it into a full-time career, these methods have the potential to change your financial future. So, let's dive in. 1. YouTube. If you love creating videos, YouTube is a goldmine for making money online. There are countless niches to explore: news, motivation, cooking, comedy, music, travel vlogs, education, entertainment. The list goes on. Once you build a solid subscriber base and meet the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program, you can start earning through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. The key to success? Consistency and quality. Create valuable content, engage with your audience, and trust the process. Over time, your channel can turn into a passive income stream, making YouTube one of the best online money-making platforms. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income by promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Start by choosing a profitable niche like tech, self-improvement, or finance, and join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Udemy Affiliates. Then, create content around those products, blogs, YouTube videos, or social media posts, and include your affiliate links. The more traffic you drive, the higher your earnings. Over time, this can grow into a significant revenue stream. 3rd, U-Test, website and app testing. Ever wondered how websites and apps are tested before they go live? That's where U-Test comes in. This platform pays users to test websites, apps, and software for bugs and usability issues. Simply sign up, complete your profile, and start receiving test invites. Earnings vary depending on the complexity of the tests, but experienced testers can make $500 to $2,000 per month. The more you test, the more opportunities you unlock. If you're detail-oriented and love tech, U-Test is a fantastic way to make money online. 4. Writing on Medium. If you love writing, Medium offers a great opportunity to earn money by publishing articles. Sign up for the Medium Partner Program, and you'll get paid based on reader engagement, claps, comments, and time spent reading your content. To boost your earnings, write in popular niches like self-improvement, tech, personal finance, or productivity. Some top writers make thousands of dollars per month just by sharing their thoughts and insights. If writing is your thing, Medium is a great platform to monetize your passion. 5. Freelancing. Freelancing allows you to make money online by offering your skills and services to clients worldwide. Whether you're into writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, or digital marketing, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and People Per Hour can connect you with clients. Start by building a strong profile, showcasing your portfolio, and applying for projects. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates and specialize in high-paying services. Many freelancers earn $500 to $5,000 plus per month, making this a great career or side hustle option. 6. Online teaching and tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, why not teach it online? Platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, Preply, Wisent, and TutorMe allow you to tutor students in various subjects, from math and science to languages and coding. Alternatively, you can create and sell online courses on Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Tutors typically earn $10 to $50 plus per hour, while course creators can generate passive income from course sales. With the right strategy, online teaching can become a steady income stream. 7. Online fitness and yoga coaching. Are you passionate about fitness or yoga? You can make money by offering live virtual classes via Zoom, Google Meet, or Skype, or by creating pre-recorded workout programs for sale on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Patreon. Other ways to monetize include one-on-one coaching, group sessions, memberships, affiliate marketing, or YouTube ad revenue. Many fitness influencers also sell custom workout plans, e-books, and branded merchandise with potential earnings of $500 to $10,000 plus per month. If fitness is your passion, this could be your golden opportunity. 8. Online therapy sessions. If you're a licensed therapist or counselor, you can provide mental health support remotely. Platforms like BetterHelp, Talkspace, and Amwell connect therapists with clients for video, chat, or phone-based therapy sessions. Therapists typically earn $30 to $100 plus per session. And you can also offer group therapy, workshops, self-help courses, or e-books to increase your income. Online therapy is a great way to reach clients globally, providing flexibility while making a meaningful impact. Final thoughts. There you have it. 8. Proven ways to make money online. Whether you're a creator, a writer, a teacher, or a tech enthusiast, there's an opportunity for you. The key is to start, stay consistent, and keep improving. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below.